Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can navigate and select or how to use your Apple TV 4K remote control. You can see this remote control here has the plus and the down button. Now initially when I first put this one up, I thought the plus and the minus button allow you to navigate the menu option up and down, but when I press it instead, it simply just control the TV volume instead of actually navigating the menu. So in order for you to navigate the menu on the setup screen, you need to use this pad right here. The touch pad allows you to swipe down like so. You can see when I swipe up, it will swipe up and down and allow you to navigate. You can also swipe across like this to select. And if you want to select, simply press on this remote control like this. And that will press. And then you can press again to select like that. And then you can swipe up and down, as you can see. And then here you can swipe across. You can see you can swipe across like that. And that's it. So if you want to select the option, just press on this here. This pad you can also press, as you can see. And that's it. And this menu button here, you can press on it to go back. So continue to press on the menu button.
Voiceover off.
Now if you press on the menu button 3 times, it will turn voiceover on or turn voiceover off. So just press it slowly, don't press it too quick, otherwise it will turn voiceover on. And pressing it slowly, it will slowly navigate backward. And once you get to this screen here, this is the home screen of the setup, and you cannot go any further. And then you got other buttons such as the microphone button, the play button, and the TV button, and that's pretty much it. And that's how you can navigate. So if you have just plugged this Apple TV in and you are struggling to control your menu, then that's how you can do it using the touchpad up here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.